I'm Anil Kumar, and now we will take up some interesting questions on solving exponential equations. Now these ones are tricky. I'd like you to go through them and understand the concept. The first one here is 2 over 3 to the power of 2x minus 5 is equals to 3 over 2. And the second one here is 3 to the power of 2x minus 3 is equals to minus 3. You can pause the video, copy the question, solve, and then look into my suggestion. The first one here is 2 over 3 to the power of 2x minus 5 equals to 3 over 2. We should actually write the right hand side with the same base as on the left. How can we do so? Well, we can write this as 2 over 3 to the power of minus 1, right? So that minus makes it reciprocal and we get the same base. So that is the trick involved here, right? So on the left side we have 2 over 3 to the power of 2x minus 5. Now when we have the same base, then exponents should be exactly same. So 2x minus 5 should be equal to minus 1. Now you can solve for x. So you can say 2x is equals to minus 1 plus 5, which is 4, and x is equals to 4 divided by 2, which is 2. So x equals to 2 is your solution, right? So the answer is x equals to 2. You can always substitute 2 here and verify. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 minus 5 is minus 1, which will give you 3 over 2, right? So that is how you could solve such a question. Now let's look into part B. It says 3 to the power of 2x minus 3 is equals to minus 3. Now what is the solution of this? It's kind of tricky. Exponential equations will always have positive answer. 3 to the power of anything will result into positive, never negative. So there is no solution, right? There is no solution. So for such a question, there is no solution. Exponents, the range or the value for exponent is always, exponential functions are always greater than 0, right? So that is important. So for any exponential function like this, like what I'm trying to say here is b to the power of x is always greater than 0. It is never negative, right? So therefore, part B has no solution, right? So now let me add part C and then we'll solve that question. Part C, I'll just make it positive, and we have 3 to the power of 2x minus 3 equals to 3. This is totally a different question, right? If you have a question like this, that can be solved. Now this is the same base, exponent is 1, and then you can say, well, since the base is same, we could equate the exponent, apply this method, 2x minus 3 equals to 1, since this exponent is 1, and then solve for x. So it is 2x equals to 1 plus 3, which is 4, and x is equals to 4 divided by 2, which is 2. So that is how you could actually solve it. But if the question is 3 to the power of 2x minus 3 equals to minus 3, then the solution is no solution. Remember that. That's very important to understand. I hope that make things very clear. I'm Anil Kumar. You can go through my videos and learn a lot. Thank you and all the best.